Hi guys, today I have two iPhones here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about them. So they have the different GB. I'm gonna take the 256 GB. Okay, this iPhone, it is a iPhone 13 Pro Max. This one. Um and the headphones you could buy separately. The headphones aren't free though. And I want to say, inside the box, what is there is, there's the cable and the iPhone. What I want to say is that this is worth $1,272. That's a lot of money. So I want to say $1,272. And how much GB it has? It has 256 GB. And it has the sub 6 GHz. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. So this is the iPhone. Okay, so you need to open. Wait, I'm trying. Wait, you need to. Wait, it's not the. Wait, I peeled it. Wait, I need to do. Wait, it's gonna. Okay, wow. Wow, this is a beautiful iPhone. Wait, okay, Okay, so I will show the phone. Okay, this is the phone. It has three cameras. And what else is that this has stainless steel over here. This is 6.7 inches. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone 13, not the Max one, it is 6.1 inches. And this is 6.7 inches. This works. In the beginning, I said this worth $1,272. And the cable's here. And they gave this. Wait, what? Wait, it says designed by Apple in California. Wait, they designed it in California. This is so cool. Wait, I'll show the little bit part. Okay. I'm gonna put that back. Okay. I'm putting it back. Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Wait, this way. Wait. Wait, I need to. Wait, I'm pinning it. Sometimes it is hard to put because this has this. Okay, now I put it. Okay, now let's That's it. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to open the other one. Before opening it, I need to say something about this. Earlier I said that this doesn't come with headphones. It will come separately. And the headphones aren't free. And this has sub 6 GHz. And this is the latest iPhone. And how much dollars it worth? It worth $1,484, and it's 512 GB. So the phone inside they would only give the iPhone and the cable. Now I'm gonna open it. You need to take those two because it will stick and sometimes it will. Okay, I need to take one. I need to take two. Without two. This way. Wait, I need to take it slow. Okay, let's open. Okay, so this is the one. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so I'm to say it has 3 cameras, and it has a stainless steel. And this is 512 GB. And this is the sticker here. This is 6.7 inches, the Pro Max, and the what's that called? Oh, wait. And not the Pro Max, not the Max. It is 6.1 inches, and it will come with cables. This is a cable, and this is a thing. Wait, I'll read it for you. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, now I'm gonna put this iPhone back. Put it gently. I need to put gently because sometimes it will break. Okay, okay. 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 Wait, I forgot to put something. This is the end of the video. So if you like, subscribe and like and share this video so everyone will know about iPhone 13 Pro Max. Bye. See you in the future videos. Bye.